welcome to Iziko on the Move with me, your host Nkosazana Gambuza. As usual, we like to take it to what's hot and happening in Durban, and today we're at Africa's biggest bridal event, the Wedding Expo, which is taking place at the Durban Exhibition Centre. Brides-to-be are excited and ready to pick their favorite dresses, their favorite cakes, so let's join them because I hear wedding bells! To grab the manager of the exhibition, and her name is Mary Lou. How are you, Mary?
Good, thanks, Kosa.
I'm good, thanks. So, were you happy with this year's turnout for the exhibition?
Absolutely, we had a great turnout. We had a great turnout of exhibitors, and we had a great turnout of brides as well. We had a really good event.
Okay, and how long has this exhibition been going on in Durban?
It's our third year in Durban.
Oh, okay.
We've been in Joburg for over 15 years, okay. But it's our third Durban Expo.
And is it growing or is it decreasing? How's it going?
No, we're always growing. We're always trying to be innovative, try new things, and have different areas of interest within the expo.
Standing next to me is Minoka from Cupcake Heaven, and they have just won the cake challenge here at the Wedding Expo. So tell us a little bit more about that. How was the competition like?
Okay, so we won 2 out of the 3 categories.
Yeah.
Firstly, the criteria was it must be a wedding cake, 3 to 5 tiers, use at least 5 different techniques, and think outside the box with a touch of metal. So I think we did 7 techniques. We had the use of metal. We won best decorated cake and best tasting cake.
Nice.
Based in Amstanga. The best thing is to send us an email with all your details. We'll set up an appointment for you to come through. I think we're the only bakery in Durban that does a free consult and tasting for all brides.
Oh, that's lovely.
I'm a vanilla girl, but our best seller is our Lindt cupcake. There's 85% Lindt chocolate melted into the base and the icing. It is amazing.
Okay, I think I should try it a little bit.
I think so.
Okay, thank you so much.
Really running out. They're 25 ready.
Enjoy. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
But
Scrumptious. What do you do as the team of organizers to make sure that this event is specifically targeted to the Durban audience? How do you make it relative to us Durbanites?
Well, our exhibitors are Durban based, most of them. A lot of them come from all over the country as well, so that you do get input from different people from all over the country. But a lot of our exhibitors here are based in Durban, focusing on the Durban market. And then our marketing obviously is Durban focused as well.
Okay, and then I'd just like to know, from your opinion, do the people who attend this event, are they mostly young people or are they old people looking to get married? I don't know. It's just interesting to know.
So it's the bridal market very much.
Yeah.
So yeah, brides kind of up to 35 years old. We do get people who are getting going into second marriages, but we are the bridal market, so kind of 20 to 35 year olds and mostly women and brides. The brides come with their moms, their mom-in-laws, their bridesmaids. We do get the grooms coming as well, but our focus is on the bride.
Behind me is the catwalk ramp where the bridal designers are actually ready to showcase their gowns for the season and ready to show the brides to be what they can buy for their special day. So come, let's see.
I just wanna keep calling your name until you come back home. I just wanna keep calling your name until you come back home. I just wanna keep calling your name until you come back home. I'm sitting eyes wide open and I got one thing stuck in my mind.
owners of Jasmine Bridal, and I'll let them introduce themselves. Ladies first.
I'm Qureisha Hassan.
Hi, I'm Shabir.
And I'm absolutely honored to be standing with you. Your gowns are stunning, and I just watched the fashion show as well. I'm absolutely impressed. Well done.
Thank you so much.
I know that you're the oldest bridal gown store here in Durban. That's amazing. And how would you say that you keep your business going so strong?
We try to innovate all the time. You know, we travel a lot, so we bring international designs in, and also we look at what the local market is looking for. So, you know, when we interact with customers, we try to see what customers are wanting, and when we do our imports, we take that into consideration.
And how would you advise a bride to be to go about picking their dress for their special day?
I would advise them not to come into a store with a big entourage. Keep it very simple. To know exactly what the price range, how much they can afford on a dress.
Okay.
They should know. Basically, not have too many guidelines or too many restrictions on what they want with their dress. They should just try on a dress, see what makes them feel beautiful, and go with that.
All right. Thank you. Thank you so much for your time.
Okay, lovely.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So I'm standing with the lovely couple, Ntombi and Tanda Shezi, who are going to be getting married next year in April. Oh my gosh, congratulations.
Thank you.
And obviously you guys are here for inspiration, and how are you feeling the vibe? Do you like the vibe, the atmosphere?
We do. It's been very helpful. We're getting ideas, and it's just been a great experience.
Great. And then I watched the fashion show. Oh my word, the gowns were absolutely
Aren't they
stunning.
fantastic?
And for young bridal designers who'd also like to showcase their garments, yeah, how would they go about doing that for next year's event?
Get in touch with us. They can go to our website, wedding-expo.co.za,
Okay.
or we're on Facebook. Get in touch, and our sales consultants would be able to give them the details, tell them the rates, that kind of thing. We'd love to have them on, and they would then be able to be a part of our fashion show as well.
Okay, great. Thank you so much for your time.
Pleasure. Thank you.
From bridal gowns to wedding cakes, the Wedding Expo has it all. And if you are thinking of popping the question soon, then maybe next year we'll see you here. Fortunately, that's all from us at Iziko on the Move. And me, your host, Nkosazane Dambuza. It's ciao. Until next time.